I volunteer with the Avian Medical Clinic at the Center for Birds of Prey in Awendaw, South Carolina, as a capture and transport for birds of prey and for shorebirds. And they called me to release this red-tailed hawk. And it's so cool when you get to do this because when you're capturing and transporting these injured birds, you have no idea if they're going to make it. Sometimes they don't make it before you even get them there. But the Avian Medical Clinic works so hard and they love their jobs. And this one was releasable, so it was great. He's not an adult yet. He doesn't have the red tail, but it was a really big hawk. And I got to do this with my in-laws. And so we watched him for quite a while.